In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add policies in Hostinger website. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of your websites and store settings. If you manage more than one website, take a moment to select the correct one before moving forward so you don't accidentally update the wrong store. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage the site connected to your online store. From there, look for the option that says Manage Store and click on it. This area contains the core settings for your e-commerce setup, including products, payments, shipping, and the checkout experience. After you open Manage Store, go to Settings. The Settings section is where Hostinger keeps the main controls for how your store works, so if you ever need to update customer-facing details, this is usually a good place to start. Inside Settings, click on Checkout. This is the section you need because checkout policies are shown to customers during the purchase process. Adding policies here helps communicate important information clearly, such as return conditions, order rules, or other terms customers should know before placing an order. Keeping these policies visible at checkout can also help reduce confusion and set the right expectations. Here is where you can add your checkout policies. You can customize the content based on your business needs, so take your time and write the policy in a way that is clear, professional, and easy for customers to understand. Make sure the wording matches your brand and accurately reflects how your store operates. If the platform gives you an Add option, click Add and begin customizing the policy details. As you edit everything, double-check the text for clarity, spelling, and accuracy. It's a good idea to keep your policy language simple, so customers can quickly read and understand it during checkout. If you already have policy wording prepared, you can paste it in and then format it as needed. Once you're done customizing everything, click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes and makes your checkout policy active on your store. And that's it. You've successfully added policies to your Hostinger website. If you make future changes to your store rules, you can always return to the same checkout section and update them anytime.